So we're back and we're going to continue our conversation about the branded templates. Okay. So two places to get to them. You could go into templates, and there are my branded templates, or you could just go under brand and look at your branded templates there as well. Now, when I created my templates, I didn't do the correct name. I just kind of threw something in there. So if you needed to adjust it, you can click on the template you want to edit, and you can make the necessary updates. Got it. Okay, great. So that's done. And then I could save it. So now my original has been updated and saved. Now, if I wanted to go back and really make a story, then I could say, use this template and make the necessary changes, text, pictures, video, whatever, to this branded template. And of course, because you're using an original, Canva is going to make a copy. So I could say that this is, let's see, what is this? I don't know. We'll just say life. We're just going to put in some stuff. We're going to say life. And then we can make all the necessary things that we would normally do that says, hey, this is what I'm doing. And just throw something in there. Why is it that whenever I gotta find something quick, I have to get lost in those? Whoa! Okay, so you could do all the changes you would have to do, and then download it, share it, post it through their content scheduler. You can do all those things. Now, I will say this, depending on what I'm doing for the day, what my task is, I would be tempted to either use the individual branded template. Like if I did a presentation, I'd go branded template. If I'm going to do bulk work, I'm going to more than likely go to that quick create, do those 8 pieces of social media content and be done. So the good thing is we have options. We have options with these tools, and that quick create is free. The branded template is a paid feature. So, all right. Well, there it is. If you've liked what you've seen thus far and before, then by all means hit the subscription button, and we will see you in the next video.